Today's video is one of the most important yet confusing topic in health insurance, which is riders. Nowadays, health insurance plans have become highly customizable. And with so many riders available, most people struggle to decide which one to choose and which one to avoid. And in this video, I will break down the different type of riders available in the insurance market and explain exactly how each one works. And this will help you make a smarter decision so you don't end up paying extra premium for unnecessary riders or for benefits that you may never actually use. So before we begin, let me introduce myself. So hi, I am Mariam and I represent PolicyHub, where we make insurance simple and easy to understand. And if you are confused about which plan to choose or which riders are suitable for you, you can consult PolicyHub's expert and the link is given in the description. And also make sure you watch this video till the end, because after explaining all the riders, I'll tell you exactly which rider you should actually consider and which rider is the most suitable for you, which one are the most important in today's time, and the one that should definitely be part of your policy, either as an inbuilt feature or as an add-on, so that you don't have to pay out of your own pocket at the time of claim. First, let's understand what a rider, add-on or optional cover actually means. So these are features that are not included as inbuilt benefit in your base policy. If you want to customize your policy according to your needs by adding certain extra feature, those are called rider or add-on. For these additional benefits, so you have to pay extra premium. And now coming to the riders. So let's start with the first one, which is My Health Critical Illness. Critical illness rider provides a lump sum payout if you are diagnosed with any listed serious illnesses such as cancer, heart attack or stroke. This amount is paid regardless of your actual hospital bills, so you can use it for treatment, recovery or even to manage loss of income during that period. Another is Hospital Cash Benefit Rider. It gives you a fixed daily cash amount for each day of hospitalization. This benefit is useful for handling non-medical expenses like travel, food or attendant costs, which are usually not covered under standard health insurance policies. Another is Unlimited Restore Benefit. It ensures that your sum insured is automatically restored unlimited times during the policy year if it gets exhausted due to claims. So this means even if you make a multiple claim in a year, your coverage remain intact and you don't run out of protection. Another rider is Individual Personal Accident Rider. It offers financial support in case of accidental injury, disability or death. It may include benefits like accidental death cover, permanent or partial disability compensation, and in some cases income support depending on the severity of the accident. Another rider is OPD rider. This rider is offered under different name by different insurance companies. Some call it well-being, another is well consult, BFIT or simply OPD cover. It is a benefit that is available as an inbuilt feature in only a very limited number of health plans. Otherwise, most companies offer it as an optional rider that you can add by paying an extra premium. By opting for this rider, you get coverage for outpatient expenses, and this includes doctor consultation, diagnostic tests, pharmacy bills, and making it a very helpful for managing your day-to-day healthcare cost. And the next rider is chronic care. And by opting this rider, you can get coverage for your pre-existing disease after a short waiting period around 30 days. This includes common chronic conditions such as blood pressure, diabetes, asthma, cholesterol. So this rider is offered under different name by different insurance companies. Some call it ABCD Chronic Care Rider, other call it Jumpstart, and some refer to it as Advanced Cover or Instant Cover. The purpose of the rider remains the same. Only the name changes from one company to another. The next rider is the Limitless Benefit. It is also known by different name across insurance companies such as Infinite Advantage, Infinite Care or Unlimited Care. And by opting for this rider, you get the option to make one claim in your entire lifetime that goes over and above your base sum insured. This means if you face a major medical emergency with very high expenses, this rider gives you an extra financial cushion by allowing a one-time unlimited or enhanced claim beyond your base coverage. And the next rider, which most people actively look for, is the Maternity Benefit Rider. It is known by different names across companies. Some call it Parenthood, other Maternity Care, and some refer to it as Miracle Benefit. Although most commonly it is known as Maternity Benefit. And by opting for this rider, you can claim expenses related to maternity such as delivery, normal or C-section, pre and postnatal care, and in some cases newborn baby coverage up to a specific limit as per the company's term and condition. And however, one important point to understand is that this rider does not become active immediately after purchase. You need to serve a waiting period before you can use the benefit. And that's why it is very important to carefully read all the terms and conditions while opting for this rider, so you clearly understand what expenses are covered under maternity benefit. And the next rider is related to covering consumable expenses. It is offered under different name by different insurance companies. Some call it claim shield, other claim protector, and some refer to it as safeguard. And by opting for this rider, you can get coverage for one-time usable items during hospitalization, such as PP kit, gloves, syringe, masks, sanitizers, and other similar consumables, which are usually not covered under a standard health insurance policy. And in some companies, this benefit is available as an inbuilt feature, while in others, it is offered as an optional rider that you can add by paying an extra premium. Another rider is room category select. It gives you the flexibility to choose any room type, including single private room or twin sharing accommodation without restrictions. So this ensures comfort during hospitalization without worrying about room rent limits. Another is aggregate deductible. Aggregate deductible option let you choose a deductible amount such as 10,000, 25,000, 50,000 or 1 lakh. This means you agree to pay a certain amount from your pocket before the insurance start covering expenses, which can help reduce your premium cost. Another is supercharge bonus rider. It provides a bonus of 100% of your sum insured every year, regardless of whether you make a claim or not. And this bonus accumulates up to a specified limit and significantly increasing your total coverage over time. Another is preventive annual health checkup rider. It offers cashless annual health checkup either at home or through network provider. And this helps in early detection of health issues and promotes proactive health management. Next is Empower Her is a comprehensive benefit focused on women's health. It includes coverage for gynecologist consultation, PCOD treatment, cancer screenings, vaccinations, and other essential healthcare needs for women. Next is mental well-being, and it provides holistic mental health support, including screenings, psychological therapy, stress management program, diet consultation, and addiction cessation support, ensuring complete overall wellness. Next is worldwide cover, and it ensures that you are financially protected even if you take treatment outside India, and making it useful for people who travel frequently or prefer international healthcare. Another rider is NRI Advantage, and it is especially designed for non-resident Indians. It offering flexibility and benefits suited to their lifestyle and medical needs across countries. Next rider is Compassionate Visit Cover, and it covers the travel expenses of a close family member to visit you during hospitalization, especially when you are admitted in a different city. Next is 2 hours hospitalization, and it allows claim even if hospitalization is as short as 2 hours, which is helpful for daycare procedures and minor treatments. Next is Power Booster, or you can say it's Super Loyalty Bonus, and it increases your sum insured every year as a reward for staying insured and helping you build a large coverage over time. Next is Domestic Air Ambulance Cover. It provides coverage for emergency transportation by air within India, which can be crucial in critical situations. Another is Newborn Baby Cover Rider, and it provides medical coverage for the newborn from day one, and it's ensuring immediate protection after birth. Next is vaccination for newborn baby in the first year, and it covers the cost of essential vaccines for the baby during the first year of life. Next rider is teleconsultation, and it allows you to consult doctors online, saving time and making healthcare easily accessible from home. Another is voluntary copayment, and it allows you to share a portion of the claim amount with the insurer, which can reduce your premium cost. Some insurance companies offer the option to reduce the waiting period for pre-existing disease as well as specific listed disease. And by opting for this benefit, you can shorten the standard waiting period so that your policy becomes active for these conditions in a much shorter time. And this is especially useful if you already have a medical condition and want faster access to coverage. Another is Preferred Provider Network, and in it, discount offers a 10% discount on premium if you choose treatment from a network of preferred hospitals, and making your policy more cost effective. Next is Personal Accident Cover, and this rider provides financial protection against accidental death, permanent total disability, and permanent partial disability, and coverage option ranging from 10 lakh to 15 lakh, and ensuring strong financial support in case of accident. Another rider is Cancer Booster. It enhances your coverage for cancer treatment by covering pre and post hospitalization expenses and daycare treatment up to 100% of the base sum insured, and offering strong financial protection. Another rider is Second Medical Opinion. It allows you to consult another doctor for major illness, helping you make more informed treatment decisions. Another is annual screening package for cancer diagnosed patient. And this rider provides coverage of up to 10,000 per member per policy year for regular health screenings, ensuring continuous monitoring and early detection of any complication. So these are the overall riders. Now let's talk about which rider you should actually consider. So the first one is you need to check whether your policy covers consumable items or not. If this is not available as an inbuilt feature, then you should definitely opt for this rider. It usually does not increase your premium significantly. You may have to pay an additional 1,000 to 2,000 depending on your sum insured. Considering the out-of-pocket expenses, it saves during claims and it is absolutely worth it. Second is you should consider unlimited restoration, especially if it is not already included in your policy. This ensures that your sum insured get restored multiple times, so you never run out of coverage even after multiple claims. Third is you should opt for supercharge bonus rider. This increases your sum insured every year up to 500%. And alternatively, you can choose a cumulative bonus booster where you get a 100% increase every year without any maximum limit. And in many cases, it does not reduce even if you make a claim. Fourth is the OPD rider. And by opting this rider, you can cover your day-to-day medical expenses. And however, it is very important to carefully check the terms and conditions, as different companies cover different type of expenses under OPD. Fifth is the maternity benefit rider. This is very important if you are planning a family in the future. Keep in mind that maternity coverage usually comes with a waiting period. 1 year, 2 years, or even 3 years. Some plans also offer an option to reduce this waiting period. And the exact term depend on factors like your sum insured and policy conditions. So always read the details carefully. Sixth is the room category modifier. With this rider, you can upgrade or downgrade your hospital room category. If you choose a lower category, you may even get a premium discount, while many modern plans offer no room rent restriction. If your plans has limit, then this rider become important. Seventh is the health checkup rider. Some plan include it as an inbuilt feature, while other offer it as an add-on. It allows you to undergo an annual health checkup, helping you stay updated about your health and detect any disease at an early stage. Eighth is the deductible option. This is especially beneficial for people who already have group insurance or a corporate policy. You can pay the deductible amount through your group policy, and in return, your personal policy premium becomes lower. And this creates a win-win situation for both you and the insurer. Ninth is the chronic care rider. If you already have a pre-existing disease, there is a higher chance of hospitalization in the future. By opting for this rider, your condition can be covered after around 30 days and instead of waiting for 2 to 3 years. And finally, the critical illness rider and personal accident rider. These are highly beneficial for people who are sole earner or who travel frequently. So this rider provides a lump sum payout, which can extremely helpful in managing major financial risks. And however, the exact benefit will depend on the policy terms and conditions. So these are the riders you can consider. And apart from this, if you feel that you need benefit like teleconsultation or a second medical opinion, you can opt for those as well. And although in most plans, these are already available as inbuilt feature. And the rest of the rider completely depend on your specific need, what coverage you actually require and what is important for you. Based on your requirements, the next step is to identify which company or plan offer the right combination of these riders in one place. And for that, you don't have to do all the research on your own. You can simply get in touch with our team and we will help you choose the most suitable plan and rider based on your needs. And I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe the channel and share it with someone who might benefit from it. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.